Hello, and today I am going to be unboxing the new Wolf Gourmet Precision Griddle. And before I get started, here's just some of the bullet points about this griddle. It's thick, it's got superior non-stick coating, temperature control, it's got a lid on there. And so before I open this up, let's actually just get a quick shot of the box. Let's get this side. This side shows actually what you can do with the unit, everything from sauteing to even steaming food. And then the back of the box, this is kind of where all the major big bullet points are. So some of the things are, it has a 12 by 17 professional grade thick cast aluminum cooking surface, exceptional heat retention, superior non-stick coating, cord wraps around, it has a lid with a handle on it, easy drip tray. And then if you want to get a shot of this, this is actually the coils and how the unit actually works, so you can see the heating elements in there. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to open this up. This is the first time that I've seen this product. Cutting it open. Let's see what's inside. So, take this out. This is heavy. I'll move the box away for now. Take the styrofoam out. And one thing I want to promote here is the quality of this thing. This thing has got some weight to it. Get this off. Okay. There's the lid. Put that up to the side. And it comes in this bag. Get rid of that. Instruction manual. This should be the drip tray. This will be your drip tray. There's a handle on the side there. Put that up. This way. And here it is. This is the griddle. Nice. That is, like all the other Wolf Gourmet stuff, this is exceptional quality here. I mean, even without just turning it on, just feeling this thing, the weight of this, it feels solid. I'll get a shot of the side. Well, here's the front. So here's your dial. You got warm to 250 all the way up to 450. You can actually hear it click. Hopefully the video can pick that up. The knob feels solid with that click right there. So let's get a shot of the side. Not much to see there, but then here's the back of the unit with the cord, and as the box promoted, you can actually wrap this up back here for nice, easy storage. The other side in the front. Let's put the lid on. So here's the lid. It fits right in there nicely. Got your drip tray in the front. It should. Let me do this real quick. Where does this fit? Oh, there we go. Drip tray fits right there in the front. So that's it. This is the new Wolf Gourmet Precision Griddle. Thanks for watching.